candy cars with an assembly line with our classmates.
So it goes up against the seat. Okay, you're gonna put it up against the seat like that. You're making the seat. That's the back of the seat, okay? Quality control yet? Oh, Penny's got one. How's it look, Penny? Okay, I think that will dry pretty good. So why don't you go ahead and package it up? Okay.
For starters, I am putting the candy cars in bags to keep them dry and safe from getting broken.
Did you guys like this assignment? Yeah? Did you learn anything? What did you learn?
How an assembly line works.
How an assembly line works? And what'd you say the advantages of an assembly line are, Blake?
Faster and easier.
Nice.